What's going on, everyone? My name is Carlos, and today we are looking at this little Eufy webcam, or not webcam, security camera. And I'm just going to do a quick little review or my experience and kind of explain why I have this and what kind of brought me to buying this. So after doing a lot of research, I decided that this is probably the most affordable and easiest webcam to set up. This is the Eufy Indoor Cam E30, and most importantly, it works with Apple Home, which is exactly what I was looking for. I don't know why I'm sitting like this, like an excited child. So in the box, we get the camera itself, which is very light. I don't know why I was expecting something heavier, but this is a very light camera. All right, and there's the speaker, and this is the camera itself, and it has like a little light here. USB-C, which is nice, and yeah, it looks nice. It's tiny. I'm digging it so far. What else comes in the box? You got a little sticker you can put on, but I don't really need it since it's only going to be for my cats. And then you have some mounting tools, which is what I'm assuming is for like putting it on the wall or something. And then the charging brick, and I'm assuming this is going to be the charging cable. It is the charging cable, so USB-A to USB-C. So there is a HomeKit QR code on the back of this camera. So I'm going to go ahead and scan it with my phone and see how easy it is to set up. For now, I'm just going to plug it in. Oh yeah, so that's really simple. So we just plug it in there, and that's it. Yeah, this is basically the whole setup. So you guys might know from my posting that this little girl here, Apple, she got eye surgery, or I guess more like eyelid surgery. There's like a proper name for it. But basically, her eyelids were folding in, which is causing her to have ulcers, which is causing her to have blurry vision, tears, and it's just not a great time. So she had to get surgery. The doctor basically, from my understanding, kind of cut a little piece of her eyelid so that way it doesn't fold in anymore, and now she can blink properly. And so after her surgery, my biggest concern is that she's gonna like scratch her eye and just kind of cause issues and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I got a security camera, to kind of keep an eye on her. While I was doing some research, I really wanted something simple. I don't want subscriptions or forced subscriptions. I just want something I can just plug and play. And 360 was optional. Like, I didn't really care too much, but it would be cool to kind of, you know, look around the room. And that's where I found Eufy. It was on sale. It was like 50 bucks. It looked around. It went up, down, left, and right, all the way 360. It takes a micro SD card. It's not a forced subscription. In fact, is that you can actually set up this whole camera on HomeKit without even downloading the Eufy app. The only downside of that is you can't utilize all of its proper features, right? So like, for example, I just told you it goes full 360 and up and down. You can't do that on the HomeKit app. But if you download the Eufy app, you can go up and down, left and right. Of course, you have to make a Eufy account, but they don't force you to be in a subscription or anything like that. And another reason why I love having it work with HomeKit is because you can actually watch it from the Apple TV. If you have an Apple TV, you can look at the security. It automatically connects to the Eufy HomeKit. How are you feeling? Are you feeling better after the whole surgery? I don't know if you can tell, but I think they cut off like half her mustache on this side, because now she has like half stash. It's like very long on this side and then like really short on that side. Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video in case somebody or one of you guys were looking for a nice security camera. This works great. It works great in the dark. Goes, like I said, it goes 360. You have the Eufy app that you can use. It's very user friendly, really easy to use. And again, if you don't want to do all that, you just want a quick peek at, you know, your room or whatever, you know, you can just use the Home app on an iPhone or the Home app on the Apple TV, have a quick look, and there you are. And I think that's what I really love about this product, is that it's really easy to use, really simple to set up, and you have multiple ways of looking through it. But yeah, that's all I got for you. I just want to give you guys an update on Apple and just my experience with this Eufy camera. There's really not much to say. The footage looks great, and it works exactly as advertised, and I'm really happy with this purchase, and it makes me want to try other Eufy products once I have my own house and everything. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with this camera. Do you have anything else to say? Okay, with all that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.